Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to change your rear diff oil on a BRZ.
So these are the things you're going to need for servicing your rear diff. You need some GL5 fully synthetic gear oil. 75/85 is what I'm using. You need a pump to get the fluid back in the diff. A couple of washers, both the fill plug and the drain plug. Torque wrench, power bar, the bolts are a bit too tight. You need a 10, this is quite crucial, 10 mm hex ratchet and a container and a rag to collect it all. So we'll quickly go underneath. What I personally find is if you just drive it on, if you have a couple of ramps just like this, you can easily make these out of a couple of wood pieces. It makes life a lot easier when trying to do this job, especially if you have a lowered car. Saves you the hassle of having to jack it up. As I've said in all my previous videos, always make sure to open the fill plug first before opening the drain. Just in case you cannot open this, you do not want to be stuck with the immobile car with no oil in the diff. So always open the fill plug before you open the drain plug. Pro tip, if your car comes from a colder country or if your car's a bit older, you want to spray this the night before. Just use some penetrating fluid at the fill plug and the drain plug. It'll make your life a lot easier the following day. Don't forget to clean this plug, wipe it down with the cloth. Give both these, the drain plug and the fill plug, a good clean, and make sure to replace the crush washers on them. You can get them from Subaru or you can get them from your local parts store. So using your torque wrench, you want to torque both the fill and the drain plug down to 49 Newton meters or 36 foot-pounds. When you torque your drain, and you can begin filling your fluid. It takes 1.2 liters of GL5 differential fluid. When you see a strip like this, now you want to close it off. When you're all done, make sure to clean up this area and you should be good to go from there. Hope this was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, as it really helps me out. Thanks guys.